Hi guys! Welcome to Lesson 1-1, the multiplication table and factor puzzles. Here we're going to take a look at a table, multiplication table, and we're going to write the missing factors and the missing product. I'm going to take a look at 6 and 10. So I see a blue line, and that's where I have to write my answers. So looking at 6 and 10, I need to write a number that goes into both of those numbers evenly. That is a factor. So I know 2 goes into 6 and 10 because they're even. So I'm going to think 2 times what is 6? Well, 2 times 3. 2 times what is 10? Well, 2 times 5. If I have a 3 up here at the top, then I'm going to bring it straight down to the bottom. I'm going to do the same with the 5. So now I'm going to take a look at 21. 3 goes into 21, I know, 7 times. If I have a 7 over here, I'm also going to put a 7 here. Now I have enough information to figure out my variable. N could be any number. In this case, I'm going to take 7 times 5 to figure out N. So I know 7 times 5 is 35. Now, over here, I see my factor puzzle. So, I see the number 6, 10, 21, and then our empty spot, which is N. So now that I've done my work, I just need to fill in my answers straight from the multiplication table. All right, let's look at table 4, which is problem number 2. Now it's your turn. I want you to turn and talk, work with a partner, see if you can find the missing factors in your multiplication table. Then transfer your answers to your factor puzzle. I'm going to give you a couple minutes and then we'll go over it together. So press pause. All right, let's go ahead and check. You should have figured out that 3 is a factor of both 6 and 21. Then you should have figured out that 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 7 is 21. Down below, well, if we carry that 2 straight down, then I can ask myself, 2 times what number is 16? Well, that's 8. So if I have an 8 on this side, I'm going to carry it straight across. Then, since I brought down my 7, I know 8 times 7 is 56. So my 8 and my 7 are factors of 56. Remember, the answer in a multiplication problem is actually the product. Make sure you carried over your numbers to your factor puzzle. Today, you learned how to find missing factors in a multiplication table and how to fill in a factor puzzle. Now you're going to use what you learned and listen to Ms. Shaver for your next set of directions. Nice job, guys.
Okay, so that is how you use your multiplication table